Welcome to the new video series on new schedule of rates. Times are changing, so is our system of working. We have stepped on to the new digital era. We have started using e-office, IRWCMS, that is Indian Railway Works Contract Management System, GEM, that is Government e-Marketplace, and many other online portals. In line with these changes, we are about to see a great change in the schedule of rates that we are using for our contract works. Come, let's get into the video about new schedule of rates. In general, the system of working of the engineering department in Indian Railways can be bifurcated into three. 1. Works engineering. 2. Bridge engineering. 3. Permanent way engineering works. When it comes to works engineering, predominantly the works covered will be under the heads building works, horticulture and landscaping works. And when it comes to the track portion, starting from the base, earthwork and embankment and cuttings, permanent way works, and then the bridge works. To cover all these aspects, earlier departmental manpower was available. Nowadays, we are going out for contractual works. So when the works are contracted, we need to have a standard system of awarding the works or a standard practice for arriving at the rates. So we need schedule of rates for the works portion as well as for the bridges portion and then for the permanent way portion. Already we have a unified standard schedule of rates for the works portion, but when it comes to bridge portion, a part of it has been covered in the already existing unified standard schedule of rates. But when it comes to the permanent way works, before 2019 there was no unified standard schedule of rates. By the year 2019, new unified standard schedule of rates have been introduced for permanent way works, bridge works as well as the earthwork in embankment and cuttings. So as we had discussed, we need a standard schedule of rates for all these things. The existing unified standard schedule of rates was introduced in the year around 2010 and 11 for the works portion. Now it has been decided to change from it. At any point of time, you might get orders for adopting to the new standards. Similarly, for the permanent way works, new standards have been published in the year 2019 based on updation of the rates for the each zonal railway. Once it is updated at any point of time, we are about to get orders to adopt it in our day-to-day system of working. So what are the new schedule of rates that we will be adopting in future? For building works, horticulture and landscaping works, we will have to adopt the CPWD, that is Central Public Works Department. They are publishing their schedule of rates that is called as DSR in short, in full form, Delhi Schedule of Rates. This has been published in the year 2018. The latest one is, as on date, is Delhi Schedule of Rates 2018. So for the works portion, we can follow this only based on the orders of higher officials. Soon we'll be getting orders for adopting this. Similarly, when it comes to the track portion, earthwork in embankment and cuttings, bridge works, permanent way works, for all these things, we will have to adopt IRUSSOR 2019, that is Indian Railway Unified Standard Schedule of Rates 2019 will have to be followed. So for works portion, we will follow DSR, that is Delhi Schedule of Rates. For track portion, we will be following, that is for track as well as for bridges portion, we will be following IRUSSOR 2019. These are the two new schedule of rates that we are going to use in our day-to-day working. Let us have a glimpse of what is available in these, or what are the documents which we need to be conversant with for operating these schedule of rates. Come, let's first see about the works portion, that is about building works, horticulture and landscaping. That is, let us see first about the CPWD Delhi schedule of rates. CPWD Delhi schedule of rates has two volumes, that is volume 1 and 2. In short, we call them as DSR 2018. It has two volumes. To make the schedule of rates, there should be some analysis of rates done. Again, we have analysis of rates, that is 2019 is available. It is available in two volumes, volume 1 and 2. Based on the founding principles only, we will be able to arrive at an item. After arriving at an item, we will make analysis for rates. After making analysis of rates for various items, we compile them and make the schedule of rates. So the specification is the founding block or the foundation for all these works. So for this Delhi schedule of rates, there is a specification. Specification 2019 is available. It is available in two volumes, volume 1 and 2. As far as building works are concerned, these 6 volumes have to be used. How 6 volumes? DSR 2 volumes, AOR, that is analysis of rate 2 volumes, specification 2 volumes. So 6 volumes are there. And apart from this, CPWD is publishing a separate booklet called plinth area rates. The reason plinth area rates are available for 2019. The plinth area rates, that is the cost of construction for unit plinth area, has been given in this booklet, and that is being given in separate formats for residential buildings as well as for non-residential buildings. And again, in this plinth area rates booklet, we will be coming across two important terms. One is called plinth area rates and the other is building cost index. As we all know, we have a standard practice, that is, we have started standardizing the schedule of rates. Throughout India, the schedule will not vary. However, the rates would vary. In a hilly area, normally most of the items will be costlier. In a plain area, the cost will be lesser. And apart from that, wherever raw materials are available, in those areas, the cost of the products will be lesser. So, based on geographical boundaries and based on geographical factors, the rates are supposed to vary, but the items will not vary. So, for making that variation uniform, to make a standard practice to create this variation, building cost index is used. In next or new videos, in other videos, we will be seeing about building cost index. So when you are going to use when you are going to prepare an estimate for the buildings, we will have to use the DSR, Delhi Schedule of Rates, volume 1 and 2, analysis of rates, volume 1 and 2, specifications, volume 1 and 2. And for adopting the rate or for altering the rate to suit our local conditions, we will be using the building cost index. For that, we should be having a copy of this plinth area rates, or we should have a fair idea about plinth area rates. Fine. Now let's see about the horticulture and landscape. And again, for horticulture and landscaping, there are 3 parts. That is, there is a schedule of rates, there is an analysis of rates, and there is a specification. But the difference is that for horticulture and landscaping, all these 3 have been compiled into a single booklet and it is readily available for use. So with this, we will be able to operate all the works related items. That is, we will be able to construct or maintain buildings as well as do horticulture works and landscaping works, and to maintain the existing horticulture and landscaping works. Now, next, about the track portion. For the track portion, now we have a standard schedule of rates, that is Indian Railway Unified Standard Schedule of Rates 2019. In this, earthwork and embankment cuttings have been covered, bridge works have been covered, and permanent way works have been covered in this schedule of rates. Similarly, whenever there is a schedule of rates, obviously there will be an analysis of rates, and there will be a specification, the founding block for all these analysis, schedule, etc. Luckily, we have only one volume of each. That is, we have one volume of schedule of rates, one volume of analysis of rates, and one volume of specification. And apart from this, we have been given with a small booklet of Simon coefficients. That is the theoretical consumption or the theoretically assessed quantity of cement that is supposed to be used for each item of work. Chapter wise have been listed in this booklet. So henceforth we will be using the IRUSSOR 2019 for our track related works and also for the bridge related works. Now let us have a glimpse of all these booklets, how it would appear. This is for the building works. This is the Delhi Schedule of Rates, Volume 1. We have also having the contents page. There are almost 4 chapters under the subheading A, and then we have B, under which there are 12 chapters available in this volume 1. They have given a note that for subheads 13 to 26 refer to volume 2. This is volume 2, and in volume 2 we have data from chapter 13 to 26. So altogether we have 26 chapters, and there are C and D. C is for cement consumption statement, D is for bitumen consumption statement. And this is the analysis of rates. Again, in the same way, whatever chapters were available in schedule of rates are available in analysis of rates also. This is volume 1, the same way as schedule of rates. This is volume 2. This is the specification. They made it as 0. There is a 0 chapter. It is for general purpose, and from there first 12 chapters are covered in volume 1, and the rest is covered, that is chapter number 13 to 26 is covered in volume 2. This is about the horticulture and landscaping schedule. Here, as you can see, there is Delhi Schedule of Rates 2018 for analysis of rates and specifications for horticulture and landscaping. In this also we have the chapters, around 10 chapters are there. After that there is a cement consumption statement. Then we have this analysis of rates for these 10 chapters and the specifications. This is the plinth area rates. In the description you can see against serial number 1, plinth area rates as on 1/4/2019 has been given. This will be very important to us for theoretically assessing the approximate cost of a building. We can use this item. And then serial number 8 will be of most importance to us. That is again serial number 8, perform for calculation of building cost index. This will be very important. And coming to the IRUSSOR, this is how the index page will be. As of now we are having only soft copy of this. Hard copies will be soon made available to us. So as you see, in schedule of rates, that is IRUSSOR, Indian Railways Unified Standard Schedule of Rates, we have 21 chapters. It comes in a single volume. This is the analysis of rates. Again, for all these 21 chapters, rate analysis have been provided in 21 chapters. This is the Unified Standard Specification for IRUSSOR 2019. All those 21 chapters of Schedule of Rates has been covered in 6 chapters in the standard specification. Apart from this, we have 2 more booklets. One is the cement coefficients and the other one is the basic rate sheet. This basic rate sheet is required for updating the rates or to adapt the rates based on our geographical condition or to suit the USSOR to our local rates. This is being used. So we have seen about the new schedule of rates, about the Delhi Schedule of Rates, IRUSSOR 2019. So we have seen glimpses of all these books. Hope we have got introduced to all these booklets. Thank you.